It's Marissa with Krietz Customs coming at you with a 2024 GMC 2500 build. Now this is a customer build. You guys can see a lot of our inventory vehicles, but we actually work with this customer. This is his second build with us, and we're gonna take a look in depth of what we worked with him and what we did and what final build product was. So starting off, again, is the 2024 GMC 2500. So it's got that new sleek bumper on the front. And you guys can see on the exterior, we're gonna go over some of the color matching options that we went over. So you guys can see we went out with a whiteout package, the grille surround, the emblem on the front bumper. We did leave some of the accents chrome just to kind of pop off with the wheels that we added to the vehicle. The side markers and the tail lights are completely smoked out, so it gives a little more of a pop and it kind of breaks up that white. And I think this looks super clean with the side markers and the tail lights smoked. We did white out the emblems over here with the whole mirror assembly. And like I said before, keeping the chrome accents just to go along with the all polished aluminum wheels. So that's pretty much it for the exterior. We did tint the windows all the way around. We did 20% on the front, rear, and back glass. And you guys can see on the windshield, we did it at a 50% tint. So if that's something you guys are looking for, Krietz Auto and Krietz Customs do provide that service for you guys. Now, coming down to the meatier part of the build, we're gonna talk about the wheel and tire package. So first, starting off with our wheels, this is an American Force chopper. It's a 24 by 14, so this is a very high negative offset. And it is gonna stick out about 5 to 7 inches past the fenders, depending upon what vehicle you put these wheels on. As you guys can see, this is a flat face wheel with American Force. You guys can see the spokes are super clean and it's got like that directional spoke. And you can see these are the open lugs, so you can run those spikes, and you have the billet aluminum center caps as well that are etched with the American Force. Now this customer here went ahead and put the business name around the American Force wheels. What's super cool about American Force is that you can actually customize the wheel to whatever you want. So you can take the rivets off completely, you can keep American Force, you can put your name, you can put some sort of funny saying on there. We've had multiple customers reach out and put some funny things in the outside part of their American Force wheels. So that's what I love most about American Force, because they're completely customizable to what you want. Now your tire is going to be a NITTO Ridge Grappler, a 37-13-50-24, and this is going to be that hybrid tire. And this is going to be perfect for daily driving. It's going to have some off-road capabilities, but all in all, quiet, good ride quality, and it's going to wear nicely for anywhere from 45 to 65,000 miles out of these tires. Now, in order to run this bigger wheel and tire package, we do have to add that larger suspension. On this 2500, we did the 5-inch BDS high clearance suspension kit with the Fox shocks all the way around on the vehicle and some of the upgraded suspension parts to make this GMC 2500 ride nicely with the bigger wheels and tires. Now, keep in mind with your bigger wheels and tires and the GMCs and Chevys, they have more so square fender wells, so you want to keep in mind of all the trimming involved. On this GMC, you guys can see on the back half here, the mud flap is completely cut out. You guys can see the back half of the mud flap. This part of the actual cap corner has to be trimmed at an angle. And you guys can see the front bumper is actually cut at an angle in order to clear the bigger wheel and tire package. So make sure you guys keep that in mind when you guys are choosing your wheel and tire packages, how big you want to go, how much you want to trim. If you don't, reach out to one of our experts here at Krietz Customs. They'll be able to help you out for what you're looking for. Like I said, this is a customer build, so this is something that we can do for you guys. A lot of people just think we lift them to sell them. We actually take customer vehicles like this, transform them into the ride you are looking for. So if you want to work with me, give me a call, 301-694-4642. Check out all of our social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at Krietz Auto and Krietz Customs. Hope to hear from you guys soon.